Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be the part 2 of my DIY store haul, which consists of some pouches, some jewelry pieces, some eyeglass cases and some other goodies. So without any further delay, let's just get into it. So first let's get all the pouches out of our way, you guys. So I got these pouches. Now they retail for rupees 35 each and they are called the A5 document bag. Now they come in these cute prints. This is a baby giraffe and these two are cute unicorn prints. So these pouches come really handy for a lot of things, like you can store your mini documents like your cards and receipts. You can even store knick-knacks like your jewelry pieces, earrings, bracelets, necklaces, etc. You can even store your toiletries inside them because they are clear and you can see through what is inside them. So I think overall it is a nice utility piece for a really affordable price. You can even gift these to little kids by putting some more goodies inside it. Next up are these pouches, you guys. Now they are actually pencil cases and they retail for rupees 33 each. They come in these cute prints. This is a pink colored pouch with these two girls on it, and then this one again baby pink in color with unicorns on it, and this one has this purple lavender color with a little girl on it. Now these pouches come very handy to store your stationery, and you can even store your knick-knacks like your dainty pieces of jewelry inside them, or you can even store your sunglasses inside them, you guys. I've noticed some brands do not offer their cases along with the sunglasses. So in such situations you can put your sunglasses inside a case like this and they'll be good to go. Now they are not the best type of cases for your sunglasses, but instead of just putting your sunglasses bare inside your handbag, it is just a little better to put inside a case, and that works. So overall for this price point, they are not only good for kids, but as an adult you can use them. This pouch is so cute, you guys. It has these different species of little dinos all over the body. It retails for rupees 100. Now this is also a pencil case, you guys. So you can certainly put your stationery inside it like pens, sketch pens and whatnot. But you can also use this to store your knick-knacks like your dainty jewelry, bracelets, earrings, etc. But why I got this was to store my smartphone inside it, because I generally do not like to put my smartphone directly inside my handbag. So I always tend to store my smartphone in a pouch like this. So it just gives a little bit more protection when it is inside the handbag. This pretty pink flower power pencil case is so cute, you guys. It retails for rupees 114 and it has a lot of space, you guys. Now this stuffing is just to maintain the shape of the pouch, so you can see how spacious it is inside. Now these kind of pouches are best to keep your stationery, but they can also serve you a great purpose if you want to store your makeup brushes or even your regular makeup, you guys. So if you're looking for a pouch to store your makeup and you want a pouch that is a little compact in size but something that can store all your makeup, then you can definitely look for these kind of pouches in DIY. I think for an affordable price point, they are definitely a good option. Next up are these cute eyeglass cases, you guys. They retail for rupees 85 each and they have these cute prints. Like I can show you this one. It has this baby elephant print and the other one has this cute fox print. So these eyeglass cases are so cute, you guys, and believe me, they can even fit an adult's eyeglass as well. I've tried it for myself. I've got similar ones before and they easily fit my eyeglasses. So you can get these for yourself if you like funky and cute stuff like how I do, or you can get this for your little kid, or you can gift it to other kids as well. So I think these are really cute for rupees 85 and you can certainly try them out if you like cute and funky eyeglasses. Next up is this pack of 3 dainty bracelets and they retail for rupees 71. Now these bracelets are actually those chain like bracelets, you guys. So you would need somebody's help to get them on for you. They are not like these elastic ones. I have tried similar bracelets from DIY previously, so I can tell you that They do not tarnish so easily. So if you're looking for dainty bracelets on a budget, then you can try these ones, you guys. So we have reached the end of this haul, you guys, and the last piece is this one right here. It is actually a storage basket, comes in this beautiful lavender color, and these butterflies, you guys, so pretty. It has this huge slot on this side and these small little slots on this other side. Retails for rupees 180. So you can either hang it from this side or you can hang it from this side as well. And even if you do not want to hang it, then this base is very sturdy. You can just put it on a steady surface and you'll be good to go. Now this kind of storage basket is ideal for storing your makeup brushes, your stationery, or even your hair brushes. So if you're looking for something at an affordable price point and really good quality, then you can definitely check out Mr. D.I.Y because it has such a wide variety of storage pieces at such affordable price points that you can definitely find something or the other, you know, that you would require at your home for whatever purposes. So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed exploring these budget-friendly finds from Mr. D.I.Y. If you like this video, then give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share your comments down below. Do let me know if you found any particular item useful in this haul. If you like similar content like this, then you can consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.